If CapCut PC is not showing templates for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix that solves this problem for most users. We'll go step by step, starting with a quick language reset inside CapCut, then clearing the corrupted cache. And if that still doesn't work, I'll show you the backup fix using a VPN, signing out, restarting the app, and signing back in. This is a really common issue, and usually it has nothing to do with your computer being too slow or your project files being damaged. It's often just a feed or cache problem inside CapCut, so if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open CapCut PC and make sure you are on the main home menu dashboard. You want to start from the default home screen, not inside a project, because the settings you need are available from the main interface. Once CapCut is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the settings icon. This is the hexagon-style gear icon, and it will open up the app settings menu. Now go to settings, then click general and find the language option. This is the first fix, and it works by refreshing the app interface and forcing CapCut to reload certain online elements. Change the language from English to any other language you can select. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as it is different from the current setting. After selecting the new language, click Save. CapCut will usually restart automatically after you save the change. Let it close and reopen on its own. Once the app comes back, go back into settings, return to general, and open the language section again. This time, switch the language back to English and click Save one more time. This step sounds small, but it can help refresh the app's template connection and fix loading issues with the template feed. If templates are still not appearing after that, the next thing you need to do is clear the corrupted library cache. Old cache data can block new online assets from loading properly, and that can cause the template section to stay empty or not update correctly. On the CapCut home menu, look for the draft section list. Near that area, you should see a trash or clear cache button. If you don't see it immediately, you can also find it through settings, then general, where cache options are often stored. Click the clear cache or trash option, then confirm the deletion. This will remove temporary media cache files that CapCut no longer needs. Don't worry, because this will not delete your actual project files or your saved edits. It only clears temporary data, which is exactly what we want when templates refuse to load. After the cache is cleared, give CapCut a moment to refresh. Then check the template section again to see if it has started loading normally. For most people, one of those two fixes will solve the issue. But if you're still not getting templates on CapCut PC, there is one more thing you can try. This next method helps when the app is having trouble connecting to the correct content region or syncing properly with the server. Try using a VPN first. Turn on your VPN and connect to a different server location, then open CapCut again and check the template feed. If the templates still do not show up, sign out of your CapCut account inside the app. After signing out, completely close CapCut and restart your computer, or at least relaunch the app cleanly, then sign back into your account and check the template section again. This can force CapCut to refresh your session and reconnect properly. So to recap, the main fix is to switch the language from English to another language and back again, then clear the cache, and if needed, use a VPN, sign out, restart CapCut, and sign back in. In most cases, that will solve the not getting template issue on CapCut PC without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.